knocking on Christmas. What are you doing here?
I thought it'd be a good time to come by for a sandwich. What's going on here?
This always happens. It's 11 o'clock at night. I had to do meals for the kids. I had to run down to the supermarket to get cold cuts, and I'm just throwing everything together now.
Kind of what I figured. Mom, we gotta talk about food prep. Those cold cuts, those are full of sodium nitrates and all kinds of garbage that's gonna make these kids sick. These chips for crap. So this afternoon I came by, I did some food prep on the grill. You get quality food from a family butcher or a small family store where they're buying at Hunts Point that morning. There's no carcinogens, there's no polysorbate 80, there's no preservatives or hormones. This stuff was alive at local farms just 48 hours ago. 3 or 4 hours on a weekend, you cook for the whole week, you get better quality lunches all week long, and you save some money too. What I'm talking about here is food prep. 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning. What else are you doing? I got 6 boneless breasts and thighs. I got a ribeye and a Delmonico. Whole thing at her local butcher. I spent maybe $45 up at Cole's Market in Montrose. We're going to get at least 12, if not 15 or 16 meals out of this for maybe $4 a meal. No preservatives. You know where it came from. Was never frozen. Nutrients are the best you're going to get. No pesticides. Local beef, alive, 48 hours before you bought it. Be smart. Food prep.